How to restore purchases in FaceApp. First of all, open FaceApp on your device. Next, tap the settings icon usually found in the top left corner of the app. Scroll down and find the Restore Purchases option in the settings. Tap on Restore Purchases and wait while the app verifies your previous purchases. Make sure you are signed in with the same Google account used to buy the FaceApp Pro subscription. Once verified, your premium features and filters will be restored without any extra cost. If the restoration doesn't work immediately, try restarting the app or your device and check your internet connection. Sometimes it may take a few minutes for the app to sync your purchase history, so be patient. If issues persist, contacting FaceApp support can help resolve account-related problems quickly. Now you know how to restore purchases in FaceApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.